Alright guys, back with box 6. Last box we had the Lee autograph rookie. We had the Steve Nash number /299 Rick card, which we pulled a Kevin Garnett to 2-something mini. So that was definitely the weakest box we've gotten, but I'm sure we'll get some other good stuff. Still looking for that Russell Westbrook autograph. Here we go. Daryl Arthur, 1,232 out of 2008. Got a rip card already. Kevin Martin, number /299. Got a Danny Granger, 131 out of 199. Dwayne Wade, 797 out of 999. It'd be pretty sweet if you could put a set together of all number cards. It'd take a lot, but looks like we got our autograph. Eric Gordon, sweet. And Russell Westbrook again. That's the 7th pick right there. It's pretty sweet. The Yee, 678 of 999. Nice and thin. Wow, felt like a thick one. Felt like a thick one. It didn't even have a numbered card, so.
You're hallucinating?
I guess. Kevin Garnett, 794 out of 999. It's a pretty cool looking card. We got this was a pretty thick pack. Stop it. Russell Westbrook, 1,327 out of 2008. Kirk Heinrich, 40 of 999. Three packs left. And we'll do the rip card. Last pack. All right, we're gonna do the Kevin Martin rip card now. Looks like we might have an autograph, and it's 11th overall pick from Arizona, Jared Bayless. So that's pretty cool. They're not numbered, but I'm pretty sure they're short printed. All right, guys, thanks.